Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So we went to DMart to look for some kitchen organizers. As always, as I told you, same with for West Side, and we ended up shopping a lot. So me and Inaya, we're gonna quickly run through all the things that we bought, and I'm going to also insert a few clips and in my shorts of what is new in DMart. So let's get started. Okay, so first up that we see is two yum chips packet. Again, we got the Nagin hot sauce.
It's boot chips.
Yeah, boot chips, which are like the jolokya. Like this is the spiciest chili in the world. So yeah, it is that spicy, but we love spicy, so we thought we would try it.
I saw this on a channel.
Yeah. So this is the first one. Okay.
I bought some chocolates for myself, not for her.
Okay.
She keeps eating all my chocolates.
And then some Ecto popcorn, quick
Which is
popcorn.
nice.
And then we got a barbecue popcorn as well.
And this is a
Protein bar for me.
And then more protein bars.
It was 1+1 offer.
Oh,
Silk Oreo.
mine.
We should put this in the fridge.
Tic Tac.
Tic Tac. Kurkure Puffs Masala Munch. Again for Inaya. All of this for some more yippee peppy potato chips, potato discs, tomato discs.
My favorite.
Some Lay's.
Favorite, girls.
A huge pack of curls. Anything else? In for fun, creme for fun. In my shorts, I organize all of this in my pantry, so keep watching for that. A huge Maggie's thing, because ours is now left with only one thing. So yeah, for all the food things. Now we will show you the other things that we got. Let's start with the clothing now, because there's a lot of clothing, and then last we will do the kitchen. Yeah. So let's start with the clothing. All clothes are just for Inaya. DMart has started, like it already had, but huge collection of t-shirts and stuff for them, and it is so soft, like good quality and very cheap, like 199, 179. So this is
one is for 170.
179, and it says it's movie time and it has popcorn.
It's so soft.
And very soft. The most important thing is very soft. So she got this one.
I wear that picture. Mascara.
Yeah, she'll show it to you. It's for 99.
Do
your best.
We have this so soft here, and this is on for. This is for I think
179.
It's 179, not 99. It says communication looks different for everyone. With this like
Very stylish and supremely soft kapda.
Like,
So
DMart has like almost everything soft.
yeah, very
Almost.
soft. Loved this one in a rainbow color style, and it's black, so Inaya
We
will
never
wear
go
it.
out of.
It says blue, and it's just for 99. Says say cheese with a camera and says you are beautiful the way you are. And for 99 we thought it's fine. So 5 t-shirts in total and 1 pink legging,
I want
because
Also 99.
clothing, right? That we did.
Yeah, this is just a one.
Just our bag. Okay, so do carry your own home bags always, so that you don't end up using those. And now moving on to the home items. It looks like it has this unicorn thing in green color, everyday wear, and this were for 149,
I was trying to get a black version of this, but we could not find it, so
and it was so crowded. And then we got some hangers, because we always need hangers around the house, and these are the steel ones that I like. 6 pieces for 149, which is a very good deal. So that is what I got. The bottle cleaner, and plus it is silicone, which is very good. So you can just put it in hot water, very useful, and just open it up and clean it from inside the bottle. So it's a very useful product. I got the same thing, and my mom also bought. So this was for 90. No, sorry, 7. Hi guys, this is after 2 or 3 days that you last saw me film the haul. There were 2 things, and one is the main thing why I went to DMart actually. So if you saw my West Side haul, you know that I was in hunt of these huge canisters which are from glass. I didn't want anything plastic. They show in a lot of video that there are huge canisters or like glass jars in DMart at a good price. So that was my main motivation to go to DMart. But sadly, I didn't find all of them, but I did find some of them. So I'm gonna quickly show you those. But first, let's show you this. So this is out of the way. I got dustbin for DMart, from DMart, and it is in this pinkish color with this leg thing that just makes it open like so, and it's easier. And it was for 199, as you can see. And yeah, just basic. The other one that I have was wearing off, but the colors were really bad. They didn't have any good colors. And if you have seen my lifestyle home decor video haul, you saw that the dustbin that I use, I like to use the steel one from Lifestyle, but that is expensive. That is like $5.99 or something for a smaller size. So for everyday use, I didn't see any other ones. If you have any other good ones, let me know. But for now, this is the plastic one that I got for the home. Now let me show you the big box that I went for. So we asked them to put things in a box, and they just, like, they didn't have any people. You know how DMart is always crowded. So they just gave me a carton and they said, you can just put things and I'll give you bubble wrap. You have to do all things yourself. And I was gladly ready to do it. First, let me show you the smaller jars. So I got these ones. So they are glass, as you can see. And they say CR glass cube jar 500 ml. And this were for 79. Originally they are for 88, but for DMart price something 79. And they have this steel top, but it is transparent like so. So pretty. And it is so you can also see from above, and because of the scratches you get from your fingers, they have nicely kept it like this. So these I got, so one, two, three, I think I got 6 of these smaller ones. 500 ml is a good size, and of course in my shorts I will show you how they look and how they stack them up and all those things. So keep waiting for the shorts. And then the bigger ones I got are these ones. So as you can see, again the very same style. I wanted to match both of these. So they are very look-alike, as you can see in their shape and size. I wish this was also square or this was round. But yeah, DMart mein like abhi itna sasta bhi milta hai, then you can't have a mismatch. But anyways, this was for 159. And this is, I think, 1.25 liter. Yeah, it's pretty big and huge. And glass, I love that. And it has this. One thing that I liked is they didn't stick the they did not stick the stickers outside. So that's a good thing, because it's again a hassle to remove the glue. They just put it inside, and you can just remove it, you know, when you are washing them. So I wanted 6 of these as well, but they were not available. So I just had to get 3. I want to again go and get bigger sizes if it comes in this, and if not, then isi ke hi thode aur leke aungi. But for now it's just 3 of those. So 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, so these are the glass canisters that I initially went for, and from here on only they look very premium, they look very good quality. And that's why I didn't want plastic. Like, I'm always very clear that I want steel only. Steel. So I'm very clear that I just want glass, or steel is still okay. But if it is glass, it's better because I can see it, right? Like, that's the whole idea of it. That's about it. And I hope you like this video. We are doing a lot of effort, posting everyday shots every day. So yeah, so please hit a huge like and
subscribe.
Subscribe. Until next time. Bye.